Me say, I can't wait till court start. Me say, I can't wait until school start. You know, so me fed up. Yes, man, me girl telling the whole world, so me fed up. Me say, the other day I turn on the computer. When me look, no joking thing, me see this woman then cut off her head. Listen to Jamaica and the world, this is not right. They are killing the woman them for no reason at all. I want to make a public announcement to everybody out there. Catch them. Me say catch the old dirty drunk them and bring them come a judge girly courtroom. Me love, them gonna get the hammer and they gonna get the book. I am not going to lock up them criminals and make them eat off of people taxpayer money. Only if you catch them and masculate them. Catch them and dash them in out. You know something? It fed up, you know. And this is the only way I can get to the public. I am a comedian. I am an actor. This is what I do to make people understand so this thing is getting serious. Come on, tell me about it. I have a mother. I have 4 daughters. 1 died, leave 3. You think I want no man out there? Masculate my daughter. People in Jamaica. I'm calling on everybody. Uno government, you see, especially to the Andrew Maulinism and the OSHA. Uno put a law in right now so when you catch them criminally, uno don't lock them up in a GP or in a Spanish town. Good God, man. Good God, man. There's a play that we have called The Good Man, and it's talk about domestic violence. We need to see this play. Imagine, I'm a sister. Good God. No, man, why did you not kidnap me? Dirty drunk come kidnap me. I want to see girl upon the road. I come kidnap me. Do whatever you want to do with me. I would attack me. Are the wrong person that kidnap? Yes, man. I want to, yes, come kidnap me. So me look, yes. Me look charming. Me in a full black. I moan, me a moan. We tired of our funeral. Why would not kill on yourself? Why would not drown off on yourself all dirty drunk? You know out here, look on the pitney, them pitney have afraid to go to school. Human being afraid to walk, and not like in my days, back in the days when you could have walked and out the road late at night. As soon as night come, everybody gone in. I am warning you know. The man who drive taxi, me I want you know. I know that. Pick me up in a taxi. Uno taxi would have disappear off of the planet. Come around with me. Trouble my sister. You think say if you don't trouble my sister and my daughter, then the government can tell me say no come look for no. Them say leave all vengeance. Watch me. Watch me now. Yes, man. I am a church person, but I'm telling you it is wrong. And I'm telling you the truth. Over and out. Eat your heart out. All dirty drunk.